is going on, family? Welcome back to another video. Another beautiful, beautiful day. If you can tell, I'm outside in the backyard right now, just enjoying it. If you're new to this channel, my name is Bishop. I'm a full-time videographer, photographer, content creator. I do love to show you guys behind the scenes of my life with the family, how I balance that with work, and how I get out and enjoy nature, riding e-bikes and eating great food. Today's video, sponsor video. Thank you to WowCatch. Man, WowCatch has been with us for a year or so far, sending us a number of different products to help me with one of my biggest, it's kind of a phobia of a fear. I'm not a big fan of like bugs. I know, I love being outside in nature. I love camping, love being out in the backyard. You know who else loves to do that? The bugs, the spiders and just everything. So since beginning of the year, WildCatch has been sending us and sponsoring us with a number of different products because they know me, they know my heart. They sent out the glue traps. These glue traps can catch different creepy crawlies, as well as mice and rats, things of that nature, and as well as the plug in the wall kind of bug catcher, the other LED smaller version. We have these in our bathrooms and some plugged up in little spots. These things are catching all kinds of gnats and things like that. Now, recently they sent me out one of the coolest products I feel like so far, and that's going to be the WowCatch Swatter, Electric Mosquito Swatter. And it's got some really unique features. Now, I've had one of these before in the past, but nothing like this. And as well, if you're looking for like an option to take care of pests that is, you know, chemical free and people and pet friendly, WowCatch is going to be the one. Pretty much most of the products that I get from them has the same stamp in there to let you know the safety of it. Now, this product in itself, I feel like it's cool because it's not just me that's not a fan of the bugs. Shannon and Love aren't a fan of them either. And the last time I went to Palm Springs, I was out of town. There was like a moth in the house, and the ceilings are pretty high in our home. Vaulted ceilings, there was a moth and they couldn't get to it. And it was just freaking them out. And we all know moths, they can cause some damage, but they're not harmful, really. So, and I wasn't there to take care of it. If we would have had this, it would have been a problem. So this is my first time taking out the box. It's still wrapped up. Let's see what it's all about. Packaging is nice. We have some instructions here. Now, the one cool thing that I love about it is it's sort of like multifunctional. It does have a stand, if you see here. So you can just sit this swatter up, cut the light on, and it'll just attract, you know, mosquitoes, bugs that are inside the house. But it also comes with this wand that seems to be very extendable. Let's see. Oh yeah. This is going to help get those like high places in the living room, the vaulted ceiling. So this allows you to kind of walk around with it and catch something that's flying. Now, these bugs are getting clever. I don't know if they've been clever, or they're just getting smarter and smarter, but you can't just always wait for it to just fly into the trap. So you may have to track it down and hunt it down. And you know me, I love to hunt down bugs. So yeah, I want to get this thing all put together. We want to test it out. I also want to see how the girls feel about it because, again, they're probably going to be using it just as much as me. And yeah, let's put this thing to the test. The quality of it is amazing so far. I'm just looking at it. It reminds me of like an Apple product in a way. We have a USB-C port over here. We do have a slide button here on the side too. So I'll let you know this is the constant on button just to keep the bug zapper on when it's on the stand. And then if you wanted to manually zap. And you see how this head swivels? That's pretty awesome. Again, if it's on the ceiling, you can just zap, done. Done deal. Okay, now I'm excited, and this looks high powered. I feel like a stormtrooper right now. All right, let's stop playing. Let's get this thing in the house and see what it's all about. Okay, now that we have it on, we can see that we have a display here reading out our battery levels, and this is actually the monitor that lets you know that a shock is happening when it's actually electrifying something, which is pretty cool. On this side, we have our on-off manual button. So we have two different types of lighting here. We have the ultraviolet as well as the normal white light. This will track, you know, different type of bugs. And again, we can swat it around if we want, but sitting it on the stand and cutting it on, it's perfect. Again, we have our display underneath, letting us know when a zap is happening, our battery level, and our on-off switch. There's two in this window. They're like way up there. This window is a hot spot. It's usually where, no matter how they come in. Ooh, whoa, gotcha. There's another one right here. He's like in the window. I can extend it though. I got that extendo. Nobody's safe. Wow, he's sizzling. He's sizzling on there. Whoa. The smell. That is amazing. Yeah, got another. Number 3. All right, as you see, this thing is serious. It's the real deal. The real deal. And it's built like sturdy, feels great in your hand. Yeah, the bugs don't stand a chance. Again, thanks WowCatch. They've been helping us out with the pests on the outside of the house, and now we're taking care of everything on the inside of the house. I couldn't be happier. If you guys want to know more information about the WowCatch Electric Swatter or any other WowCatch products, please hit the link in the description. As well, I may have a coupon code for you, help you save a little bit of money. That's what it's all about. But yeah, it's time to get back on the hunt. Gotta catch them all.